This is the Xbox game Portal, and I wanted to use it as an illustration for some of the physics concepts that you guys are going to be learning about. It's kind of a physics puzzle game, and what it does, it gives you this little thing in my hand right here is called a portal gun. And what I do is I set up these doorways, and I set an entrance and then an exit. So when I walk through this one on the left, I'm going to come out on the one on the right. So watch. And vice versa. Okay? So what you do is you use these different portals to solve some puzzles. So the puzzle I'm working on right now starts way up there. So I'm going to set my exit point up there and enter. And as I flip around here, you can see I'm up on this kind of raised platform with this blue stuff dropping down. Now that blue stuff they call repulsion gel, and it's going to illustrate one of Newton's laws of motion, the third law of motion, that says for every force there's an equal and opposite reaction, or for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a doorway where that blue stuff is. I'm going to walk over here. You can see the blue stuff is falling through as it lands on me and turns me blue. I'm going to set some blue stuff on that white piece of wall that I'm pointed at over there. You can see the blue stuff flies over and it bounces there. Alright, so here is where the physics starts to get interesting. That is going to be my exit point. My entrance point is going to be down here at my feet. Okay? I'm going to fall. It's going to show you gravity. Anything with mass, i.e. the planet that I'm standing on, is going to pull me towards it. The bigger an object is, the more gravity it's going to have. Now as I fall, I'm going to accelerate faster and faster. For a person, we accelerate a little bit less than about 30 feet per second, and we reach something called terminal velocity after about 5 seconds of free fall. Terminal velocity for a person is about 120 miles an hour, or about, let's see, in meters, 160, 170 feet per second. I'm not going to reach terminal velocity, but I'll get going pretty fast. So as I fall through the entrance there, I'll get spit out here, bounce off the repulsion gel. So for every force, as I fly across, I'm going to exert a force on this concrete wall. And there's going to be an equal force that should propel me upward onto that catwalk you can see above. So let's see if I can get this fall right. Alright, hold your breath. Perfect. Alright. So this is the way the game Portal works, is it uses simple concepts in physics. Things like gravity and acceleration, Newton's third law, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction, to help you solve certain puzzles. And I'll show you some more illustrations as I go along.